Hi, welcome to Aspiring Drone One Day Program. My name is Dr. Vinod Batla and I am glad to have you here today. As parents, by starting this program, you have shown how deeply you care about your children's future. Thank you for trusting us. We are here to guide you and work with you in each and every step of the way for your child to become an extraordinary drone professional. Let's make his dream a reality together. Welcome to the era of robotics and drones. In today's class, we will discuss who is Aspire Drones and its mission, what are robotics and what is drone technology, why drones are getting so popular and what is its economic impact, extraordinary life ahead and transformation in your child, and finally, step-by-step blueprint for your child to become extraordinary drone professional. Let's get started. Aspire Drones is a global joint venture between India and the USA in drone education. My name is Dr. Vinod Batla, co-founder and the CEO. I have completed my masters from Andhra University, India. Later, I went to the United States of America and pursued my PhD from there. This was the picture taken during my PhD. He was my advisor, Dr. Douglas Rainey, and this is me. Rest of them were my fellow graduate students during that time. During my PhD, I got a wonderful opportunity to teach undergraduate students in the United States of America. During that exposure, I have learned a lot. After that, I worked in industry for more than 10 years from India and from the United States of America as well. From the last 3 years, I was extensively working with drones. During this time, I was building drones, I was flying drones, I was even innovating with drones. And I am a licensed drone pilot by Government of India. During my education and industrial experience, both from the India and the United States of America, I have observed significant differences in the education system of India and the Western world. Western education is not just about getting good grades, getting degree certificates or landing in a dream job. It's all about experiencing the education, learning through hands-on and fun activities, implementation of the learning, and innovation. All this together builds confidence in the students. As a result, they never try to compete or prove themselves to the others. That has significantly shifted my mindset. And I wanted to be confident and happy in life like them. And I wish the same for my kids and all the kids around the globe. That's how Aspire Drones was born. Now let's understand what is education as per Albert Einstein. Education is not just the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. So education is not just restricted to learning of facts from textbooks or internet. How we are utilizing that learning to implement, think and innovate further. That's the purpose of real education. At Aspire Drones, we believe the same. So we are implementing a 3-stage education. Stage 1 is about learning. Learning of drone technology comprehensively. What are drones? What are the parts of drones? How they affect the flying of the drone? and all these things, so that they are going to build a solid foundation and become confident in the field. Later, how they are going to implement that learnings in stage 2, that is critical. So, building drones, flying drones, and participating in drone challenges or STEM education challenges is going to improve child's practical skills, which is another crucial step. And the final stage is innovation. How they are going to utilize all these learnings and try to solve real world problems by developing innovative ideas, new ideas. This is the true essence of the education. At Aspire Drones, our mission is to empower young minds to lead and innovate through hands-on and fun drone technology education for an extraordinary future where they are confident, skilled, and happily leading the life. That's the essence of true education, and Aspire Drones is committed to provide that education. Now let's understand what are robotics and what is drone technology. Robotics are intelligent machines which can perform tasks independently or with minimal human help. So these robots, either they can perform all the tasks on their own or with minimal human help. These are called robotics. So what is the primary purpose of inventing robotics? To save human time and make human life easy and to perform dangerous jobs. These robotics are making our human life so easy. They are performing all the repetitive tasks. Now they are intelligent enough to perform even complicated surgeries. And they are performing dangerous and hazardous jobs. So it increases the safety of human beings. These are the advantages of robotics. So now what is the relation between robotics and drones? For a tree, there are several stems. Likewise, robotics has several branches. One of the important branch is drones. So now let's understand what is a drone. Drone is any flying equipment which can be operated remotely. That means like a helicopter toy or a simple aeroplane toy which can be operated using a remote controller. So how the name drone was invented? Let's understand that. D in drone stands for dynamic. That means this equipment is going to move continuously as per the input of the pilot. It can increase or decrease its altitude. It can take left turn or right turn dynamically at any point of the time. R stands for remotely. That means this drone can be operated remotely. O stands for operated. That means make this equipment work. N stands for navigation. To make this equipment travel from one place to the other place. E stands for equipment. This is an equipment. So drone stands for dynamic, remotely operated navigation equipment. Any equipment which can be operated remotely is called drone. So now let's see different drones. Till now, whenever the term drone comes, we visualize this drone. But these are also called drones, which is surprising. But let's understand why these are called drones. As per drone abbreviation, D stands for dynamic. These can constantly change direction with the input from the pilot. R stands for remotely. All these equipments can be operated remotely. O stands for operated, making this equipment work, and navigation, to make this travel from one place to the other place. E stands for equipment. All these are equipment. So all these satisfy the abbreviation of drones. So what is the difference between them? This is the aerial drone, also called UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, which travels through air, and this land drone, which travels on the land, and this underwater drone, which travels inside the water, as the name suggests. Why we have several categories of drones? Because they are serving unique purposes. These drones are literally used in many fields: army, navy, disaster management, farming. Literally each and every field is utilizing these drones. Land drones, primarily used for oil and natural gases inspections, research, and performing some labor-oriented tasks. And underwater drones, primarily used for research purposes and monitoring marine life. So all these three are drones, and this is especially called UAV, or unmanned aerial vehicle. That's the difference between these three. All these three are drones, but this is UAV. Now let's understand what are the categories of drones. Drones are typically categorized into two types. One is lighter than air drones, and the other is heavier than air drones. So let's understand lighter than air drones. As the name suggests, they are lighter than air, and lift mechanism is they float by utilizing some gases which are lighter than air, for example helium. Types of lighter than air are aerostats, blimps, airships, and observation balloons. These all look more or less similar to blimps, such as these. Primarily, these are used for weather monitoring, research, and advertisement purposes. These are the lighter than air drones. Now let's understand heavier than air drones. These are primarily four categories. 1. Fixed wing drones. 2nd. Single rotor drones. 3rd. Multi-rotor drones. And 4th. Hybrid drones. Fixed wing drones. These look more or less similar to regular aeroplanes. Flying mechanism is mechanical energy using aerofoil shape. Advantages: they can travel longer distances, travel at higher speed, and can carry heavy payload. Disadvantages: they can't vertically take off or land. Second category, single rotor drones. The name came because it has one rotor here, which is rotating this propeller. Flying mechanism is through rotation of this propeller. Advantages: they can vertically take off or land. Disadvantages: they can travel longer distances. And this third category, multi-rotor drone. It is nothing but combination of single rotor drones. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 rotors are here for this drone, which is also called quadrocopter. We also have 6 rotors, which is called hexacopter. We also have 8 rotors, which is also called octocopter. There are several multi-rotor drones available. Advantages: they can vertically take off or land, easy maneuverability, so that these drones are being used everywhere. Disadvantages: they can't travel longer distances. Lot of research is being done right now on these rotors. And the final category is hybrid drones. If you see this one, it looks like combination of two drones. One fixed wing drone and the other is multi-rotor drone. This is a fixed wing drone and this is a multi-rotor drone. So hybrid drone is the combination of two drones. Advantages of this model: they can travel longer distances, carry heavy payload and travel at greater speed, and at the same time they can vertically take off or land. So this is a unique model which holds all the advantages of fixed wing drone and multi-rotor drone. Due to these advantages, drones are literally being used in each and every industrial field. Let's get started with farming. Drones are extensively being used in farming because they are reducing lot of human effort. They can be utilized to spray pesticides, to monitor the health of this crop so that yield of the crop is going to increase and which is benefiting the farmer. Besides that, there are many advantages. All these we will discuss in our master program. And drones are also being extensively used in army for search and rescue missions, for surveillance, and to deliver the supplies. All these are advantages of utilizing drones in the army. Also, drones are being used in firefighting. They can extinguish fires. See, there is a hose connected to the drone which is taking water or hydrant or fire hydrant which is helping to extinguish the fire. And drones are also helping firefighters to monitor trapped personnel inside so that they can plan and perform the search and rescue missions much efficiently. Also, drones are being used in disaster management. Drones can travel anywhere in here and estimate the damage that has caused by the disaster, send the real-time reports. It can also supply medicine, food for these flood infected areas, which cannot be easily accessed through roads. And drones are extensively being used in drone shows as well, primarily because these are interactive and more compelling, which captures the audience very interested, and this is a unique way of representing. And all these drone shows are dynamic. That means they can maneuver and form any shapes as per the requirement. So these are just a few examples of how drones are being utilized in industries. So in this we have seen what are robotics, what is drone technology, and how they are being used in most of the industries. Day by day, this utilization of drones in all the industry is significantly increasing. Now let's understand why drones are getting so popular and its economic impact. Drones are getting so popular primarily due to its low cost. They cost very low either to build or to maintain, so that they are being accommodated literally in each and every industry. Secondly, it is easy to train pilot. Anybody can get trained and can become drone pilot. On a side note, studies have shown that it is easy for children to learn drone technology and learn flying is very easy compared to adults. So this is the perfect time for your child to learn drone technology. Next, why they are getting so popular? Another reason, reduced human effort. Drones are doing repetitive tasks. As a result, they are reducing human effort a whole lot. Next, drones are improving safety because they are performing dangerous tasks and which are hazardous. Those tasks are also being performed by drones. As a result, safety of human beings has improved significantly. And another reason is its portability. Drones are easy to carry from one place to other places compared to helicopters or planes. Now let's understand economic growth of drone industry. Global drone market in billion dollars. This is the graphical representation of drone market from the year 2024 to 2031. Regions are North America, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America and Middle East and Africa. In the year 2022, drone industry market is 22.4 billion US dollars and it reached 28 billion US dollars by the year 2023, which is at a rate of 25% annually. It is an exceptional growth and it is supposed to reach 35 billions by the end of 2024. And by 2031, it is expected and projected to reach at 166.7 billion US dollars, which is an exceptional growth. So the future belongs to drone industry. This is the time to learn drone technology, and Aspire Drones is with you to teach your children drone technology comprehensively. Next, let's understand which global regions are having advantage currently and which regions are going to have advantage in the future. Largest drone market. Northern USA is having larger drone market as they have started earlier. So currently North American region has largest drone market size in the world. And the fastest growing regions are Asian regions. India and China are rapidly expanding its footprint on drone technology. This is the perfect time to invest in drone technology. This is the perfect time to invest in your children's future. Why? Because industry is growing at an exceptional growth rate of 25% annually. That is very high for any industry. So the future entirely belongs to drone technology. And as a result, there is a huge chance for innovation, entrepreneurial opportunities, career development. So the opportunities are vast in this drone technology. So invest now in your children's future so that they are going to be future ready. Now, let's understand the transformation and extraordinary life ahead for your children in drone technology. Transformation. Your child is going to learn drone technology comprehensively. As a result, he is going to enhance his critical thinking and problem solving skills because he is going to utilize all his learnings from drone technology and hands-on drone technology utilization. He is going to try to solve real world problems which enhances his critical thinking and problem solving skills, which automatically results in innovation. As a result of all these, he is going to be future ready drone innovator. With all this transformation, he is going to have an extraordinary future, which is skilled, confident, and happy. He is going to be skilled in drone technology. He can build drones, he can fly drones, and he can innovate with drones. As a result, he can start his entrepreneurial journey or professional journey. Also, he is going to lead a confident life because he is skilled. He is not worried about getting a job. Maybe in the future, he is the one who is going to create jobs and offer jobs, as drone technology is going to lead tomorrow's world. And finally, he is going to lead a happy life because of his skill in drone technology and his confident mindset, which is going to give him a happy future life. So at Aspire Drones, we are not just offering drone courses, we are offering your child's future. Believe in us and give your child early start compared to others so that your child is going to be future ready and leads a comfortable life. Now let's understand how Aspire Drones is going to help your child achieve greatness in drone technology. Let us give step by step blueprint for your child's success. We are offering Aspiring Droner online program, which is a self-paced learning. This program duration is 4 weeks and every day your child is going to spend around 30 minutes. Why we are offering self-paced learning, online learning? The primary reason is flexibility and convenience and repeated watching. As a result, your child can watch these videos as many times as possible at his convenience so that he is going to learn the drone technology comprehensively at his own convenience. As we are offering comprehensive drone technology, this entire course is going to deliver a lot of drone technology syllabus. So we have divided the entire course into 4 weeks. Each week is going to have a unique theme so that the student is going to learn the concepts well. Each week we are going to introduce a theme, and in that each week, every day, we are going to introduce a new drone technology topic. Week 1, it is all about understanding the fundamentals of drone technology. What are drones? What are aeroplanes? How do they fly? And why they were invented? Also, categories of drones, components of drones, what are the drone constituents, introduction to aerodynamics, and Indian drone rules. All these topics are going to be introduced in week 1. So your child is going to have fundamentals of drone technology. In week 2, he is going to build his nano DIY drone. He is going to build on his own with our guidance. And also he is going to learn in detail how each part in the drone is contributing for flying of the drone. Week 3, it is all about aerodynamics, mastering aerodynamics and aero modeling, axis of rotation, what are forces of flight, what are roll, pitch, thrust and yaw, what is the difference between forward and reverse modes and heading versus course. All these aerodynamic concepts are comprehensively covered in week 3. Week 4, it is all about sensors and indicators. How the drone know where it is flying, which height it is flying, in which direction it is flying, is the battery working properly. All these things, they are going to be known through sensors and indicators. So week 4 is completely dedicated for sensors and indicators. So now we have seen how comprehensively we are delivering drone technology in week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Now let's understand what it is a typical day. Every day a new drone technology concept is going to be delivered. So here we are learning drone technology. And as I said, stage 2 implementation, we will learn industrial applications, how drones are being helping the industrial sector. We are going to discuss in this industrial application. So your child is going to be know how drones are being used in various industries. Each week a new industry will be discussed, and a quiz simply to summarize the day's class. And we also encourage innovation by encouraging your child to Utilize all the learnings from the day and try to innovate further. We also ask him to write his innovations in innovation. So your child is going to learn the drone technology comprehensively. Many more. Your child is going to get a nano DIY drone kit and many more surprising gifts as the course progresses. We also offer custom learning design. As I informed, self-paced 4-week learning. In addition to that, we also offer one-on-one live classes, but these classes are limited. We also offer customized as per your needs. So please contact us so that we can discuss further and we can customize this as per your child and your needs. Now let's discuss why Aspire Drones. What are our uniqueness? We are not only teaching your child drone technology. In addition, we are giving him hands-on experience so that he is going to retain that skills for longer. As a result, he can use all those skills and innovate further. This is the unique framework we are implementing at Aspire Drones. What are the immediate benefits? Once your child becomes expert in the drone technology, he can participate in drone innovation challenges, STEM innovation challenges, whether it is in his school or college. He can participate in competitions. He can also participate in obstacle challenges, FPV racings. These are robotic challenges. Your child can participate in any robotic competitions. Also, long-term benefits. As your child is skilled, confident, he can be an innovator, entrepreneur, or drone professional. Options are unlimited. So, in today's class, we have discussed Aspire Drones and its mission. What are robotics and drone technology? Why drones are getting so popular? What are the transformations you can see in your child and how we are going to help you? I have started this journey with my child. He is excelling in drone technology. Let's join together and make your child great also. You can reach us through WhatsApp at 9949203734 or email at vinod.batula@aspiredrones.com. You have already taken your first step by watching this program. So you have believed in us. Keep the same trust. We are going to help your child become great. Take the next step now. Join us to transform your child into future-ready drone innovator, a confident individual who is not worried about his future. Let's join together, you and me, collectively make your child an extraordinary drone individual, an extraordinary drone professional, and an extraordinary entrepreneur. Thank you for trusting us. Join now. We will transform your kid into an extraordinary drone professional and let's make his dream a reality together with Aspire Drones. Thank you.